sun, stay here, won't you please? Springtime brings out the brightest spring in things. And tiny sprouts push the soil from their wings. Mr. Sun, please don't go away. The winter saddens all the flowers, and the oceans turn to gray, and the sky cried down for days and days. Mr. Sun, please don't go away. Birds and bees all sing happy things as they fly into the sky. And lonely trees will grow families in their leaves. Mr. Sun, stay here, won't you please? The winter saddens all the flowers and the old.
Girl, your heart, girl, your face is so different from the others. I'll say you're the only one that I'll adore. Cause every time you're by my side, my blood rushes through my veins, and my gig your face blush so silly, yeah, oh yeah. And I want to make you mine. baby, I'll take you to the sky. Forever you and I, you and I, you and I. And we'll be together till we die. Our love will last forever and forever. You'll be mine, you'll be mine. Oh, oh. Girl, your smile and your charm lingers always on my mind. I'll say you're the only one that I've waited for. And I want you to be mine. Oh baby, I'll take you to the sky. Forever you and I, you and I, you and I. And we'll be together till we die. Our love will last forever and forever. You'll be mine, you'll be mine. And I want you to be mine. And I want you to be mine. Oh baby, I'll take you to the sky. Forever you and I, you and I, you and I. And we'll be together till we die. Our love will last forever and forever. You'll be mine, you'll be mine. Oh baby, I'll take you to the sky. Forever. Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I fear myself. Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I feel myself. I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Crash to the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now.